नमस्कार. Myself Dr. संतोष लगड, Department of Geography, दादा पटेल महाविद्यालय, कर्जत district, Ahmednagar. Today I am going to deliver lecture on the topic of Introduction of Geomorphology, paper first for F5A BSc student. Outline of the topic: Introduction to Physical Geography and its branches. Subtopic of the topic: first, Introduction to Physical Geography and its branches. Second, Geomorphology, definition, nature and scope. Third, components of Earth system. Fourth, geological time scale. Fifth, applied geomorphology. Today we are studying deep information, the definition of the physical geography and evolution of the discipline geography. As we know very well that geography is the branch of knowledge, it means in the early time geography discipline studies interrelationship of the physical and man-made aspects those are existing on the surface of the earth. Geography is the home of man, so this subject having immense importance as compared to the remaining branches. That geography is the subject which studies man-environment relationship which are existing on the surface of the earth. Geography is the subject which belong to the social science as well as in science. This subject is studied behavioral nature of the man and its relationship with the surrounding environment. So it is a branch of social science as well as geography is the branch of science. All of you know that whatever that rules and regulation are found in geography, some of these rules and regulations are the universal truth which we are able to verify in laboratory. So recently geography subject having the status in the faculty of science. Then geography is the Greek Latin word. This word firstly pronounced as well as put forth by the Eratosthenes in 243 before Christ. So Eratosthenes is known as a father of geography. That geography word derived from Greek Latin two words, geo means earth and graphy means description. It means geography is the description of the earth. That so many scholars are define geography different way. That Finch is the one of the scholar who define geography. Geography is the science of earth surface. It consists of systematic description and interpretation of the distributional pattern and the regional association of things on the surface of the earth. It means whatever that physical and man-made aspects are existing on the surface of the earth and its relationship with the surrounding environment is the core part of study in the discipline of geography. So discipline of geography is very important subject as per myself. Geography is divided into two sub branches. First, physical geography. Second, cultural as well as human geography. Then this is the map of the globe. That whatever that features we found on this globe, maybe these features is related with physical aspects, maybe this feature is related with the man-made aspects on the earth, on the surface of the earth. These all features we are studied under the heading of geography. This is a map of the world having 4 major oceans, 7 continents, whatever that biological, physical, man-made aspects are associated on the whole earth. These all elements are studied in the geography. It means that micro level to macro level, all elements are studied in the geography. So geography subject having immense and extraordinary importance as compared to the remaining subject. So geography is known as a mother of all sciences. Then already I told you geography having 2 branches. First, physical geography, and second, that human geography. Then FYBSc first semester you have that subject principle of geomorphology. In this subject you have first topic, that introduction of physical geography. And what is meant by physical geography? Physical geography is the study of our planet and its system. On the surface of the earth, that earth is the one of the planet. On the surface of the earth, ecosystem, climate, atmosphere and hydrosphere. These are the 4 major that elements which are existing on the earth surface, and these all elements having interrelationship among each other. To study the interrelationship of these 4 elements is the interrelationship of these 4 elements is the main aim of physical geography. Then physical geography consists of many diverse elements. This includes the study of the earth's interaction with the sun, seasons, the composition of the atmosphere, atmospheric pressure and wind, storms and climate, distribution of the climatic zone, microclimates, the hydrological cycle, soil, rivers and streams, flora and fauna, weathering, erosion, etc. All the elements are studied in the physical geography. This figure shows that physical geography studies the physiological part which are existing on the surface of the earth. That physical geography studies that hydrosphere, means all of you know 71% area of the earth surface is covered by water, and that part of the covered part of the water is also studied in the physical geography. This is known as a hydrosphere. Then above the surface of the earth there are number of invisible elements which is known as the atmosphere, means oxygen, carbon dioxide, then methane, so many that gases are existing in the atmosphere, as well as fog, dew, then rainfall, snow. These are also elements which are including in the atmosphere. These all invisible atmospheric elements are studied in the geography. This is known as an atmospheric element. Then on the surface of the earth there are variety of animals and plants are existing on the surface of the earth. Interaction of these animals and plants with the hydrosphere, with the lithosphere are studied in the physiogeography. Then it means biosphere is also important sphere which we are studied under the heading of physical geography. It means physical geography studies that lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere and atmosphere. So these four spheres are the main element of the physical geography. Then already I told you that physical geography and human geography, these are two important branches of geography. Then again physical geography divided into sub branches. First, biogeography, climatology, coastal geography, environmental geography, geomorphology, glaciology, hydrology, oceanography and paleography. These are the sub branches of the physical geography. It means today's lecture we are studied what is mean by geography, then definition of geography, father of geography, then two important branches of geography, then physical definition of physical geography, then importance of physical geography and sub branches of the physical geography. Tomorrow's lecture we will study that descriptively that sub branches of the physical geography. Thank you.